how productive thinking integrates the best of positive thinking and negative thinking. Positive thinking works best when it keeps us focused on opportunities amid difficulties. Our attention usually follows our intention. That's why if we are looking for opportunities, we are more likely to find them. And what we aren't looking for, we are likely to miss it even if it bumps into us. And in all situations, no matter how dark they seem, opportunities do exist, sometimes hidden below the surface. With a positive attitude, we can find some opportunities to make some things better. At the very least, we can make our consciousness better by choosing and cultivating positive thoughts. Thus, positive thinking at its best makes us confident that some opportunity exists and that we can tap it to make things better, or at least to deal with things better. Negative thinking at its best helps us stay prepared and grounded. When we think about negative possibilities, we can be better prepared for them in case of emergencies. If some city lies in the path of hurricanes regularly, then thinking about the possibility of hurricanes will ensure that the citizens and city authorities will both be prepared adequately. Negative thinking can also keep us aware of life's many negative realities, by which we won't take whatever good things are there in our life for granted. When we know how fragile life is, we will treasure every moment we get to spend with our loved ones. Thus, negative thinking can keep us vigilant. Productive thinking integrates both the best of both negative and positive thinking, because we can best look for opportunities and look out for threats when we are looking for something beyond both, something meaningful and valuable for us. Indeed, both opportunities and threats become well defined only in the context of a tangible purpose. If we seek to study seriously for an important exam, then we will see the opportunity to we will see and tap the opportunity to spend time with a senior student who has passed that exam with flying colors. And we will see as a threat a student who spends too much time gossiping and in general wasting time, theirs and ours. When we thus focus beyond both positives and negatives, both in the outer world and the inner mind, we can function productively. Additionally, productive thinking prevents negative thinking from degenerating in its effect on us from vigilance to diffidence or even impotence. And it prevents the excesses of positive thinking wherein confidence deforms into complacence or even arrogance. A balanced blend of both can help us maximize opportunities through positive thinking and manage threats through negative thinking, thereby making us competent. So to summarize, positive thinking can make us confident, negative thinking can make us vigilant. productive thinking can make us competent.